Hey guys, welcome back to Bride Society. Today we're gonna make one of these super simple origami butterflies. So all you need is a simple square of paper. Mine are 15 by 15 centimeters, but it doesn't really matter. Mine is not double-sided. Okay, so if yours are like mine, we're gonna make sure that the white is on the inside of the finished butterfly. So you can use these like I have as name places or like Escort cards, or you can just make it as a simple decoration. So you may or may not want the marker pen for afterwards, but anyway. So first of all, we are going to fold up on the diagonal. And make the crease along the bottom. Open it back out and repeat in the other direction. Open back out, and then we're going to fold here and here. So taking it up. And then, so you open back out and you see you've got these cross lines along each direction. Okay, this part is slightly tricky, so just watch carefully and take your time. So obviously you've got the central point here. From there you want to fold this down along these lines, this bottom triangle. Okay, so you want to push those in like that, and then push the top ones out. It's not going to cooperate. There we go. Okay, so it comes down to form this triangle. Okay, so it'll look like that on the inside. Okay, then you are going to take one corner, so just open up half of it like this and fold up to this corner. Make that crease. And the same on the other side, so just lifting one corner up to the middle and make that crease. Okay, so now you have this. We're going to flip it over, like so. It's handy to keep your triangle point at the top. And then we're going to lift from the bottom, come around, and just create a loop, not a fold, okay, till we get to here. So it looks like some kind of sailboat at this point, okay? You're going to take the top flap. So you see there's two triangles there, you're just going to take the top one. And you're going to fold that over. So it's not an exact science about how much triangle you need, but you need enough to fold over, okay? So we're going to bend that over and pinch it, okay? Hold that in place while you bring down the bottom of your butterfly, okay? And then you need to get this to hold in place. So if you pinch this in the center, and fold it in. It just takes a bit of finagling. Okay, it tends to help if you open out this part of the butterfly, just while you're nipping it. And the same. like so. And then if you just want to puff out the bottom wings, you can do that too. Like that, and hopefully when I let go, there we go, it will hold itself in place like that. Okay, so you can mess around with it until it's as pretty as you want it to be. Okay, like this. If you want to make it into nameplate setting at this point, just grab your marker pen and write whatever name you want.
And there you have it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked the video, please give it a like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.